So right now we have made our landing pages with PureLender. What we have to do right now is to go ahead and upload these files we've made to our web server. To do that, you need a VPS or dedicated server. So what I'm going to do right now is transfer these files to my server. I'm going to use my local server to show you how you can do this. If you use a VPS with the Debian operating system, the procedure will be exactly the same. So right now I'm going to log in into my server. So now I'm in my server. What you need to do is to upload the files we've made with PureLender to a directory called /var/www/html. As you can see, it's empty right now. What we're going to do is just transfer these files to your server. That's it. Now our files are on the server, and what we need to do right now is to install some software so we can actually show these pages. We have our landing page files on the server, and now we have to install web server software. The software I'm going to use is Nginx. It's a very lightweight Russian piece of software. It's perfect for what we are doing. It will show our landing pages very quickly and with little overhead. To install it, we are just going to go ahead and do sudo have to do get install Nginx. So now the server is actually finding the Nginx software. Alright, so now Nginx is installed. Let's just go ahead and check whether our landing page is showing up in Firefox. Right, so let's fire up Firefox to check whether our landing page is showing up. Just type the IP right here. And there you have it. Our landing page is up and running. So the next step will be to actually start a pop-up campaign to draw in visitors to this page.